Things to know. There are three main mapping institutions in India. NETMO, National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. This organization is in Kolkata and produces maps showing distribution. NRSA, National Remote Sensing Agency. This organization is in Hyderabad. They draw map with the pictures taken by satellite stationed in the space by ISRO. Survey of India. This organization is in Dehradun. This organization allows for creating map and gives permission for their uses. Maps of our textbook are certified by this organization. Components of map. There are three components of map. These three parts are direction, scale, and conventional signs, that is, symbols. Let's study about them one by one. First one is direction. Generally, when you observe the map, you see the sign of N with arrow. This arrow sign indicates the north direction. If you have knowledge of north direction, then you can easily decide about the rest of the directions. If you stand facing the rising sun, then that time north direction will be at your left hand side. South direction will be at your right hand side, while west direction will be at your back side and east in the front. Four main directions are shown in the above mentioned figure 12.5, while others are intermediate directions and angles. Northeast Ishanya, Southeast Agneya, Southwest Nairitya, and Northwest called Vaivya. Any of the place can be found out in the map with the help of directions and intermediate directions. Students, the symbol of N with arrow in a map indicates the north direction. By knowing the north direction, other directions can be known automatically. If we face the rising sun, our left hand will indicate north and the right hand will indicate south direction. If we face the rising sun, the east direction is in the front of us and is the west at the back. In the figure which is given in the textbook 12.5 figure, we can get the directions, cardinal directions, the other four intermediate directions, that is angles. The northeast direction is called Ishanya. The southeast direction is called Agneya, the southwest direction is called Nairitya, and the northwest direction is called Vaivya direction. Any place can be located with the help of main directions and the intermediate directions. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos, and do comment on all the videos.